Okay, then we've got this rule, BODMAS rule. Brackets, then opposite operators, which is essentially powers, division and multiplication, and then addition and subtraction. If they're equal priority, we read from left to right, as is customary when we're reading something. And these are the levels of priority for these things. So here we've got times and plus. Times is of a higher priority than plus, so that's done before the plus. So 2 sevens are 14, so it's 4 plus the 14 then. So that's 18. This one, we've got times and divide, so that's 15 there. Minus we're still yet to do, and the divide we can do because they're equal priority on the 8 divided by 4 is 2. 15 minus 2 then is 13. Now we've got powers next, haven't we? 4 squared is 16, so it's 2 times 16 minus 5 minus 12 divided by 2. So minus 12 divided by 2. So the divide comes before this. So that minus can either be left there, and now just do 12 divided by 2 is 6. And leave the minus at the front of it. Okay, do the times next. 32 minus 5 minus 6. So it's 32, 27, 21. Next one, brackets first, isn't it, at the top? So it's 3, 4 times 3. So I've worked out the bracket, put the number down, plus 7. Times is next, that's 12, plus 7 is 19. Bracket first, so what's in here? Well, it's the times and divide first, so that's 10. So the bracket is 10 plus, and the divide is 4. So it's 6 times 14, isn't it? 84. Okay, next one, bracket first, and then powers. So here's the bracket, do that first. So it's 3 times 8 divided by, and then we've got our bracket. 16 is the power, minus 4 is 12. So I'm just going to write 12 for the whole bracket then. 16 is first, minus the 4 is 12. So we've got 3 times 8 divided by 12. We can, because it's equal priority, just go from left to right. 24 divided by 12 is 2. Okay, next one. We've got a bracket, so let's do that first. 3 cubed is 27, plus 3 is 30. So that bracket squared divided by 15 times by 2. 30 squared is 900. So it's 900 divided by 15 times 2. Equal priority, so 900 divided by 15 times 2. Well, 900 divided by 15 then. 60. So 60 times 2 is 120, so we can write that down straight away. Okay, next few then. Bracket first. Basically, when you see all this on top divided all this by all this on the bottom, it's just another way of writing a bracket over a bracket, basically. That's just the format-wise, that's how you interpret this big line here. The whole of the top divided by the whole of the bottom. Now the whole of the top, you do the bracket first, and inside the bracket then we've got 4 to the 4. If you tap that in a calculator, you get 256 minus, and then we got the times is 78 squared over, and this is times is first, 2 cubed, sorry, is first, is 8. 5 times 8 then is 40, plus 5 squared is 25, 2 5s are 50. So we got 256 minus 78 over, and basically that's, you can put a bracket around that if you want, because that's what essentially what it is. So on the top you've got 256 minus 78, 178, oh, it's squared, so answer squared, 31684. Notice I'm not trying to do too much in one full, over 90. So we got answer divided by 90 then, haven't we? 15842.45 is what I get, which is not really what I expected. So we'll have another look at this, see where I've gone wrong. See if I've written it down correctly as well. Yes, sorry. 419's a 76. So it's 419 minus 76. That's better. My maths is not good. There, so that was 180, wasn't it? Squared. So that's 180 squared over 90. So let's just work that out then. 180 squared, top number, divided by 90. 360. Okay, next one. Bracket, 3 cubed is 27, plus 3 is 30. So it's 30 squared, divided by 15 times 2. 900 divided by 15 times 2. Equal priority, so 900 divided by 15 is 60, times 2 is 120. Okay, that's that one there, which is that one there. Okay, good. I think yeah, okay. I might have written these out a couple of times, because I've got that one there, I think, over here. So I decided to write it down again. And I think I wrote it down yet again here, so I'm not going to do it for a third time, I don't think. I don't know why I've done all that. Not good. So I did it above anyway here. Got 120, so let's get rid of all that. For some reason I'm getting carried away. Then we'll do the last one that's specified here. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, the bracket then, 4 to the 4 is 256. Oh, I've already done that one here. And we got 360, so I've written that one out again. So I must have written them out twice, mustn't I? Okay. So there's a 30 one here that I haven't worked out here. I've written it down incorrectly. This one here, I've omitted it, so I'll write this one down as well. It is very similar. It's 3 plus 3 cubed squared, just as that one is. But it's divided by bracket 15 times 2. So we'll see how this changes now, shall we? So what's that equal to then? Well, this is 27 plus 3 is 30 squared. But it's divided by, and then you have to do the bracket, don't you, as well. 15 times 2 is 30. 30 squared over 30 is just 30. So the bracket around this changes the answer, doesn't it, of course?